If you've seen people getting free stuff on Temu and thought this feels like some kind of glitch, you're not the only one, because when it works, it actually feels too easy. But there's a reason behind it, so in this video, I'll show you how to get free stuff on Temu and why it feels like a glitch when it works properly. Before we go further, the latest working Temu Free Gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. Why it feels like a glitch. Let's clear this first. Temu Free Gift is not a glitch. It's a promotion system, but when you enter it correctly, everything appears instantly. That's why people think it just popped up. It worked immediately. What's actually happening is you're entering an active campaign. The system is already triggered. You're placed directly inside the reward flow, so it feels fast, but it's actually structured. Why most people never see this? This is where things go wrong. Most users open Temu normally, start browsing, and expect the free gift option to show up, but it doesn't, because they never entered the system in the first place. The hidden trigger. Temu tracks how you open the app. If you enter the right way, you see the free gift system immediately. If you don't, you stay in normal shopping mode and nothing shows up. That's the difference. Part 2. How to trigger it properly. Here's the method that actually works. Step 1. Enter through the campaign. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift system. Step 2. Activate the session. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now the system recognizes your entry. Step 3. Open Temu. After that, open the app. You should now see free gift event, reward screen, item selection. If not, try once again. Step 4. Enter the code. Apply the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current campaign. Step 5. Follow the system. Now just follow what Temu shows. Offers, tasks, steps. This is how rewards unlock. What to expect. Let's be real. Yes, people are getting free stuff. Yes, it can feel instant at the start. It's not fully instant completion. Some steps take time. Results can vary. Final takeaway. If this ever felt like a glitch, it's not. It's just a system most people never enter correctly. Fix that one step and everything starts appearing the way it should. Try it and comment what happened. Did it feel like a glitch for you too?